Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Just want to point out something. When you're going out to do an estimate, roof cleaning, sometimes you got to worry about ground hazards like that are going to make your job a little bit more challenging. This is not that steep of a roof, so if we had to get up on it, we could do it. That side actually is very steep. This side is not quite as much. But what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to figure out a way, put a ladder up here to shoot it that way. And can we get a ladder over there or not? Not really. They've got a little bump out over here, so it's just something when you're figuring out your price, you want to make sure that you are considering all the other factors that go into it. It's not just how big is the roof and how dirty is it. Are there difficult areas to get to? This is one where actually another contractor wasn't able to get the job done, and so they're asking us to come out and help them. So like this side, that's all easy. We throw the ladder up right here. The lower roofs are easy to get to. That roof's easy. It's just a matter of figuring that out. The other big thing that we have to take care of on this is that because they've got that pergola, because we can't get in close, we are going to get some overspray on it. And it does need to be cleaned. So we'll give them a price on that too. So again, that's the big benefit of going out, seeing it in person, seeing what else you're going to run into instead of showing up. Oh, it'll be this much per square foot, ma'am. And then you find out, oh, yeah, we can't get into there, or we got to figure out a different way to do it. So have a great day.